We'll guide you through how to check drafts on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and you wanted to go and check your drafts and go and view them again. We're going to guide you through this step by step. You can follow this whether it's a draft for a post, a reel, or a story, it doesn't matter. So a draft is essentially something you started working on and then stopped before going and ultimately posting it. So we're going to guide you through how you can potentially go and post it, or you can just go and look at it again. It doesn't matter. So to go and get started with this, you want to come onto Instagram and you want to go onto your profile page or the home page. You can select them at the bottom. Then what you can do is you can go and head to the top left. There you've got the plus and you want to go and press it. Now we're going to start with reel. So what you can do here is go and select reel. Now to go and look at your drafts, if you go and look in the top left, just below the cross, you'll see the option for drafts and you can tap there and then you can go through them. If you want to go and continue, you can go and tap on them and go and edit it and go and post it. Or if you want to delete it, press the three dots to the right and you can go and delete it if you wanted to. Next, if you want to go and do this for a story or post, press the plus in the top left where you can press post. To get to drafts here, look just above the library. You'll see recents, and to the right of that, you'll go and see drafts. Then you can open them up and you'll go and see previous drafts here. You could go and open them and go keep working on them. Or you could go and press select in the top right and select them and delete them if you wanted to at the bottom there. If you want to do this with stories, then what you can do is go and press that plus in the top left again and go down to story. And then in the top left, you'll see the option for drafts and you'll go and see them here. Then you could go and edit them by pressing on it and go and post it if you wanted to. Or what you could do is you could go and press select in the top right, select it and then go and delete it at the bottom. So as you can see, there are different ways you can go about this. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos like this. We post every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them down below.